Hey guys, Owen Overstreet here from Jacksonville, Florida. Just got off of our live mentor Webby call not too long ago. It was very great, hosted by Asia Love, and we had a lot of good people on there learning some really great information. We learned about posting, the importance of posting, how we really shouldn't tag people unless they know they're being tagged. Basically, it's not always a good thing, and some people don't want to be tagged. And we went over how to be comfortable making videos like this one. Woo! Yeah, made you dizzy, huh? So yeah, some really good stuff. I hope everyone can join or at least watch the replay of it if you didn't have time today. There's some important stuff you should know about how to upload the videos, things of that nature. So if I were you, I would check it out, and if you can't join us because you need to purchase a Babe NFT, then DM us. We'll help you out with that, even hook you up with a code so you can get it cheaper than it will be in the future. Then you can cash in on that later, make some money. So that's what it's all about, right? Aside from helping each other and learning and growing and becoming a better person. So hope you guys can follow the links below. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We're here. See you later.